01 Software. Sunflower VNC. First of all, make sure the network connection is successful. In the tool, click App Manager. Install Sun VNC and FlowW. In Tools, click Sunflower for remote control. Login account. Remember device ID and passcode, you need to input them to your computer. We open Sunflower on the computer. Enter partner LD on the board. Because the third-party Sunflower remote control software needs to open a membership to achieve remote control, otherwise you can only watch remotely. Now Operation 101 RA Sunflower Remote Control. Firstly, check whether the network connection is successful. In Tools, click App Manager. Install Sun VNC and FlowW. Tools extend Sunflower. Write down the ID, it needs to be entered on the computer side. Enter the ID and click Connect.